guys, this is Dhruv and welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming Protein. So from this video we are going to discuss some basic concepts of C language. So in this video I'm going to give the introduction of C language and some points that tells you that why to use C language, that why to choose C language. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, let's introduce the C language. So C language is a high level language. As I discussed in the previous video, what are high level language? So you are well known about that. If you don't know what are high level language, then watch my first video. Okay. So C programming language is a general purpose high level language, which is generally denoted as structured language because C language is created in the structured format. That's why it is known as structured language. Now let's talk about who developed the C language. So C programming language was first developed by Dennis M. Ritchie at AT&T Bell Labs. So guys, most of the language are developed at AT&T Bell Labs like C++. So C programming language is one of the most popular and widely used programming language because it is, as I told you previously, that it is a general purpose language and rarely you find a system that don't contain a C compiler. So guys, I am not talking about the user which use PC for their common purpose like Microsoft Word. I'm talking about those user who use their PC for programming purpose. So in most of the cases you found C compiler in their system because it is a very general purpose programming language and very basic programming language. As I told you that C is a very basic language. We can call it is as mother of all programming language because many of the softwares and application as well as the compilers of other programming language are also written in C language. Most of the operating system like Unix, DOS, Windows are also written in C language. Now, in this tutorial, you will learn how programming language work with data, what program flow is, and how to use function, method, and routines. In the next videos, you will also get step-by-step instruction on how to create simple C program and how to run them in the C compilers. Now, if we talk about the advantages of C, that why you should use or why should you should code in the C language, then first point, C language is a building block for many other currently known languages. As I told you that C, we can call C language as the mother of all languages. So C language has a variety of data types and powerful operators. Due to this, programs written in C language are efficient, fast, and easy to understand for a normal user. Now, secondly, C is a highly portable language. This means that C programs written for one computer can easily run on another computer without any change or by doing a little change. That is, that means that if you made a program in C language on your PC, and you can run the same program on your friend's PC also. It means it is a portable language. Now third point is the C language has 32 keywords in its, and its strength lies in built-in function. That means C programming has several standard functions that are available in it which can be used for developing programs. You learn many of the built-in function in our next videos. So fourth point is programming language can extend itself. That means a C program is basically a collection of functions that are supported by the C library. This makes us easier to understand our own function to C library. Now, what are C library? C library is a built-in library that, let's suppose that we have books library in our school that contains all the books related to our syllabus or any other books. And in the same way, C program library contain the built-in function that can be used in our C program in the future. If you need them, you can call them whenever you need. So due to the availability of large number of function, the programming task becomes simple. So that's it for this video. If you found this content useful, then hit that like button, and if you have any query regarding this content, then comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends who wants to learn programming language. Thank you.